tutorial will guide you how to launch the course. You must have received this email from BMSHM Academy. You just need to click the join program. A window will pop up and then you will see this page. Here the first step is you have to click on login with email and then go to forgot password. Then just type the email ID which you had registered for the course and click on send link. Okay, then you have to just go to your email and create new password. Just create your new password, click that twice and then click on the send link. Here the password has been changed. Now I will just simply log in. This is our home page. From next time onwards you will just need to enter this website bmmushroom.in and you can just see this page, and don't click on the join the academy because you have already joined it, and just click on this login, already a student, and when you click on it, it opens the course, all the courses in which you have already enrolled. Okay, suppose I want to start this course, then I will do view program. Here these are the classes. Every chapter consists of steps. Like getting started is number 1 chapter. It consists of 2 steps, then the foundation, then the another step. So these are the step by step. We need to complete one step after another, and as we keep on progressing, our chapters keep on loading as well as per schedule. And also you will get all the notification whenever live classes are there. You will get all the details of the books and everything inside this course panel only.